I made a very delicious cute cupcake for my birthday, and this is how I made it. I make use of butter, I make use of sugar. Check the caption, you will see the full details of the ingredients and quantity and size you are going to use to get this perfect cupcake. Then I mix together with my mixer. I add some oil, cooking oil to it. Then I mix together again, mix very well till the butter color turns to like cream color, like whitish cream color, kind of just like this. So then I go in with my flour, 4 cups of flour, and I go in with my baking powder and baking soda as well. I added a little amount of salt and I stir everything together. Put that aside. Then let's go to the waste ingredient. I mix use of 6 eggs, which I am breaking into these bowls. I'm sure these eggs are very okay and stay good. So if you're not sure of your egg, please do not do it like this. Make sure you have 2 bowls. You break it in one, you pour in the other one, so that if there is a bad one, you'll be able to remove it out. Then I go in with my vanilla extract, I go in with my milk, and I mix together using my mixer. When that is done, I take my butter mixture, then I am adding the egg mixture into it. I mix together, then add the flour mixture into it. I mix together as well. So make sure you're adding yours the way I am adding. Do not put everything together at once. So you add the egg mixture, you add the flour mixture till you get the perfect consistency you want. By the time you are done, your batter should be looking just like this. It should be running but not too runny and not too thick. This is the cupcake pan I'll be using. Then I'm placing in my cupcake paper inside of it, just the way you're looking at it. Then you put your butter inside. Please do not allow it to be too full because your cake is still going to rise. So you scoop in your butter inside carefully and neatly. Don't let it splash around, just the way I am doing it. While this is going on, make sure you preheated your oven, and once you are done, just open your oven and put it inside. Please do not let the heat to be too much and do not let it to be too low. So just let it be on a medium degree. So this is me just checking out the cake, and it's almost done here. So I'm just going to put it back and close it back for a few minutes and come back to bring it out. Finally, our cupcake is ready. I actually made 2 batches of this cupcake out of that measurement that I did. I made 2 batches, so this is 12 and another 12. That's 24 pieces of cupcake. And guys, this cupcake is so fluffy and delicious. Everybody wanted more, honestly. So this is just me doing my icing mixture. So just put butter and your icing sugar, then you mix together. You mix very well, mix till everything is combined together and the face is looking whitish like this. So I'm just going to get my pipe, or what do they call this, nylon? So I'm just going to scoop it inside it because this is what I'll be using to decorate the cupcake. Let's get started with the decoration. I really don't know what I wanted to do at first, but I just say, let me just play with this thing. And this is the first one I did. Then the second one. Eventually, I go for this and it's not looking bad. So I'm just going to do this for all of the cakes. After that, I'm just going to sprinkle this colored thing on it to give it that beautiful look. I mean, it's not looking boring. So this thing actually made it come out so beautiful. Look at this, isn't she beautiful? But wait, we are not done yet. Move on to the next one. So I got a biscuit and I just put it on top of it like this. And guys, this make the cake look so I don't know the word to use. Please just tell me a word in the comment section, because oh my goodness, this look very good, very attractive. And I don't know, I was just so proud of myself. So I made this for my birthday shoot, so I'm just going to put a candle on it and light it for the shoot. So that's for it. Thanks for watching. Bye.